Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Air, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, hold your power button, and from the boot options that will show up, you want to select power off twice. Now the device will turn off, but you want to give it a couple of seconds after you think it's off, as without like any kind of screen on live right here still is turning off. And once you give it like 10 seconds, you can hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. This will start the boot up of the device. Keep on holding, and when you see the recovery mode, which is right about now, you can let go of both of these buttons. Now, one thing to keep in mind, sometimes when you let go of these two buttons, it will accept the first option selected by default, which is Reboot System Now, aka leave this mode and go back to Android when you're letting go of them. So, because power button used to confirm, it sometimes confirms the first option. Now, this doesn't really happen that often, but if you see this screen disappear the moment you let go of these buttons, start holding them again. Now, when you're in here using volume buttons, you can select either Reboot to Bootloader or Enter Safe Mode to Enter Safe Mode. Now I'm going to start with the Safe Mode option. It's labeled correctly and it has more options. So once it's selected using your volume buttons, confirm it using the power button. And you can see here's our Fastboot mode with some options like Reboot System Now, Enter Recovery, Reboot to Bootloader, and Power Off. So obviously, Reboot System Now takes us back to Android, Recovery takes us to the previous page, and Bootloader takes us to Fastboot mode. Just one without, well, this kind of layout, so I'm going to confirm it, just so I can showcase this. Now, it will be cut out by the... Holy shit, it's like fully cut out. Wow. I'm going to bring it very close. Now, this right here, glorious design, is basically our Fastboot mode. I know we can't tell because it's literally almost the entire thing cut out because of the rounded corners of the screen, but this is a Fastboot mode as well. Now in this one we don't have any kind of options to navigate through, so to leave it, hold power button and volume down till the phone turns off, or basically till the screen turns off. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.